Okay, now we change the pole and connect the pool cleaner. We click it into place, connect the hose, and now slowly insert it here. Resting it on our shoulder and gradually pushing the hose in so that it fills with water. Once we see that water is coming out here, we connect it to the pool vacuum area. Now we want to use the pool vacuum, so skimmer open, closed, closed. Now let's put the valves in the corresponding position. Pool vacuum open, skimmer closed, bottom closed. Now, everything the pump sucks up will come from the skimmer. It will pass through the filter and return to the pool. Multi-valve infiltration. The idea is to start from the barrier point, move towards the center with small, slow movements, and go all the way around the pool, right? It would be something like this. I move slowly towards the center, move a few centimeters. Go towards the center. Move a few centimeters. Go towards the center. Move a few centimeters. Here in the wall area, I try to raise it a little so that it also cleans the reeds. I move towards the center. I clean the reeds, move towards the center, and so on around the whole pool.